How are you all? Welcome back to Coins Alert, your place to get your coin fix. I'm your boss. I hope that everyone is having a great day. The 19th of October is a Saturday. It's finally Friday now. I'm happy. This is my favorite time of the week for sports. I can't wait for NFL tomorrow. Look, we have a big college football game between Texas and the University of Georgia. One of the most important games of the year is coming up. I'm so excited about it. I really hope it's a great game when we have these big games. They're not always a win, but I don't think that's the case here. We got the markets for crypto. Things are getting hotter. Next week is going to be crazy, people. Early voting starts next week, and the election is coming up soon in the first week of November. Things are going to get crazy in crypto. Watch. This idea is supported by data from the past. I work from Brad Garlinghouse here. Yes, that's correct. The Brad Garlinghouse live chat that came from Swell was about the XRP ETF. And then I think something big is going on in the background. Behind the scenes, something is cooking. You're going to want to stay until the end when you see this. Let's get right into a Bitcoin without further ado. At $68,220, it's up 0.88% in the last 24 hours. Now that Ethereum is worth $2,639, it's up 1%. Both USDT and USDC are coming in at their dollar pegs. XRP is still at a mean, lean 54 cents, and we're waiting for it to move up and test the 61.5-cent level. 0.38% in the green in the last 24 hours. The overall value of all cryptocurrencies on the market is $2.03 trillion. What's the next step? Where things are easy. I really believe this. The move will go up. How do we know it's simple? A new all-time high is reached for Bitcoin. Then before you know it, it'll be gold time. 88,000 and over 100,000 will be here very quickly. Now, next year is the year of the alts. Don't forget that doesn't mean your alt won't move this year. Alts will rise along with Bitcoin. We're expecting huge gains on alts like 5201520 times, but they won't happen until 2025 at this point. Our goal is to reach it after tax season. Remember how to play this game. There will be a move until it's tax time. It's only natural that there will be a small adjustment when tax time comes around. Following that, the markets will pick up speed again during the summer. Ethereum's trend of going up, it means that a rise is coming up. The goal set by analysts is around $2,870. It says that recent changes in the price of Ethereum have shown signs of power. Being sure that Ethereum is about to go up in price, as you can see from this chart, this design is going to work out as planned. It will take Ethereum from around $2,400 to somewhere between $28,000 and $3,000. And all of these changes will happen while Bitcoin goes up. In these markets, nothing will move until Bitcoin goes up first. Now is the time for Bitcoin. It's been a year since 2012 that I first talked about this date in public. A record of 12 years, whenever we see a halving and a bull run event happen, that means there will be 2013-2013-20. Is this the fifth or fourth bull run? 2013-1720, the fourth bull run, and the fourth bull run we are looking at. Bitcoin was always the first to do something. There is no sign or reason to think that this will change, especially since so much money from big banks is pouring into Bitcoin. This is the reason Bitcoin broke out and set a new all-time high. This is going to be one of the biggest and most bullish ones ever. The most crazy bull runs you've ever seen in crypto. This was put out by Metal Lawman for the Ripple appeal update. People should know that the SEC filed Form C one day late. He says that the SEC is reviewing the decision on 3 grounds. 1, Ripple's XRP can be bought and sold on platforms. 2, how Ripple gives XRP to employees and other people. The sales of XRP by garlinghouse and Larsson on platforms. We thought this would happen. A little surprising that they didn't challenge the decision that they didn't have to pay the $0 fine. This part tells you if the district court gave partial summary judgment in favor of the defendants when it comes to Ripple sales and offers of XRP on digital assets trading platforms, as well as garlinghouse and Larsson's help and support of those sales and offers. The personal sales and offers of XRP by garlinghouse and Larsson and the distribution of XRP in return for something other than cash will be looked at, but first crypto large John D. and his group, they said that the SEC government turned down a chance for a district court trial on the aiding and abetment charge against Larsson and Garlinghouse and now wants to fight that decision. This is crazy, so take a look what's going to happen. Anyway, XRP won't miss the bull run because in a bull run, the only thing that counts is that the security ruling is upheld, and they won't be appealing. Who knows what might happen next? Their XRP might not be able to be sold on platforms, plain and simple. That doesn't bother me. If they want to get XRP, they should look at Garlinghouse and Larsson. It will help the small investor that they can buy it from the market. We don't want them to dump their XRP on the market, though, because that would change the price of our XRP. A lot of people say, but they plan how they do it. What does it really mean for the price? It's really easy, folks. If garlinghouse and larsson sell 1 million XRP and say they sell it for 50 cents, you need 1 million XRP to cancel that buy order or sell order. It's almost like the playing field is level again once you get 1 million. Then you'll need more cash on top of that million to help the price of XRP go up. There is no difference in how fast or slow they do it. They are still building more walls around these markets, which will make it hard for the price of XRP to go up. It's really that easy. It's okay with me if they do it. Over the course of 30 days, they slowly send the money down, but that money still needs to be canceled out by more buy orders. In the worst case, garlinghouse and larsson won't be able to sell XRP in trade. Wonderful. They should be able to sell it over the counter if they want to. Ripple's giving of XRP to workers and other people. They're probably trying to get their point across by saying that they give XRP to their workers as a bonus or as part of a retirement package, however they choose to structure it. In what way do you think the workers have it? For them, it's like getting an extra paycheck. They'll get it. They're going to cash it out right away. It's totally free. Money. It's the same. You don't have any risk when you make a coin. You didn't put any money in, but you made it happen. The key is with you. You offer it for sale, you get all of that money for free. So let's hope that goes away too. There is also no longer any XRP to give to workers. Let's go to this now. The second film of the day will be the interview with garlinghouse. News from Japan that is very important. A cross-border payments company is the first company in Japan that isn't a bank to be given permission to move money through the Japanese system. It takes less than 20 seconds and costs 0.62% to send and receive yen combined with 40 other currencies. So Wise gave permission to join Zang, which is Japan's own payment method. This is the piece that talks about it. It talks about what they're doing in the partnership, the transactions, the currencies, and what's going on over there. This includes more than 40 currencies, some of which are important ones. You may recognize these, such as the euro, the British pound, the US dollar, and the Korean SGD, because Ripple has on-demand liquidity ramps here. What makes this interesting then? So let's go back 2 months to when this CoinMarketCap story said that XRP would be used by 61 Japanese banks building a payment platform on Ripple by 2025. But if we look closer, we can see that it says Cursodium's choice to use Ripple's technology is a smart move to make money off of Japan's payment system. The current local payment system, called Zang, is likely to be replaced by Ripple's DLT. So if this is really being put together and the information is correct that Ripple's DLT tech doesn't have to use crypto, stay tuned. Please excuse me, DLT tech needs to use crypto. What could we be looking at here if this is supposed to take the place of the Chinese payment system called Zang? It's possible that Ripple's fixed coin will be added, but what does happen? The XRP ledger is where the safe coin lives. The XRP coin is used if it runs on the XRP ledger. It's a done deal. Now that we're talking about moving money, the stablecoin runs on the ledger, which is very cheap, very fast, and can grow very large. The stablecoin will be able to connect any asset out there. XRP is also important because it runs on the record. There's going to be a crap load of money coming into the market soon. Since I've been in this space since 2017, I think the news came out in 2018 that Ripple and SBI were going to work together. Something has been cooking for a while. So this Ripple tech, the new DLT system, will take the place of the old banking rails. Things are getting really exciting behind the scenes for Zang, the Japanese payment system used for sending and receiving money within Japan. It's been a while since Yoshi gave us the old blink because he said the price of XRP would go through the roof in the blink of an eye. Maybe this is just what we've been waiting for. Ripple stablecoin DLT technology will be used to replace Japan's old payment lines. Something to look at. People, I know I have my eyes wide open and I'll be looking and digging. Clean